हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं सौरभ, मेरे साथ है निखिल। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस वेस्ट ब्रॉमिश एल्बियन। ये सैटरडे हम लोग ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे देखेंगे आफ्टर 2 लॉन्ग बोरिंग वीक्स, जब भी हम लोग ने इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल में ज्यादा कुछ देखा नहीं। बहुत सारे इंजरीज हुए, अननेसेसरी ब्रेक था। बट ये वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मैच प्रेडिक्शंस, प्लेयर लाइनअप्स, इंजरीज और बहुत कुछ।
So let's begin with how both United and West Brom have been doing in the Premier League. Okay, so let's check out the match form. United are currently 14th. Last game हम Everton वाला जीते 3-1 away, which was a really confidence boosting win. West Brom currently sits at 18th. बहुत ही goals concede कर रहे हैं. They have 3 losses, 2 draws, and they are traveling at Old Trafford. तो ये काफी interesting game रहेगा. Hopefully काफी goals रहेंगे इसमें. Let's talk about which players are unavailable for this game. So, as we know, Shaw, I won't say a long-term injury, but at least he's out for 4 or 5 weeks. Lindelof और Marshall को दोनों को इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक के समय इंजरीज हुई है, so they are a bit doubtful, and that's the reason हमारे इंजरी लिस्ट में है. Obviously, Jones, Lingard और वो सब प्लेयर्स तो है ही है ऑलरेडी, but these are the new ones जो ऐड हुए लास्ट गेम के टाइम से. So Saurabh, let's talk about who will start for us tomorrow. What do you think?
So in defense, I think the defense picks itself. David De Gea is going to be the keeper. Aaron Wan-Bissaka is going to be the right back. अगर Lindelof injured रहता है, so he's a doubt. He may or may not play. अगर if Lindelof नहीं खेलता है तो Tuanzebe is the only other choice that we have. Maguire 100% खेलेगा, और with Luke Shaw out, ब्रैंडन विलियम्स या टेलिस में से कोई खेल सकता है. आई वुड हैव बीन 100% श्योर टेलिस खेलेगा अगर ही वुड हैव नॉट टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव ट्वाइस फॉर कोविड. But you never know. I think Telles is still a decent option, even despite coming right from COVID. And खेला नहीं है वो ज़्यादा, but against West Brom that should not be too much of an issue. But I wouldn't be surprised अगर ब्रैंडन विलियम्स वहाँ पे खेलता है. In our midfield, थोड़ा एम्बिशियस लाइनअप हम लोग ने पिक किया है यहाँ पे. Oli is likely going to stick to his 4-2-3-1, and we'll likely see Matic or McTominay play instead of Donny van de Beek. But if we want to play expansive football, and this is one team where हम लोग को वेस्ट ब्रॉम के अगेंस्ट अगर हम लोग एक्सपांसिव टीम और एक्सपांसिव फुटबॉल नहीं खेल पाता है, तो then I don't think we are capable. This team is capable of playing expansive football. So अगर कोई गेम है तो ये वीकेंड का गेम है, so इसलिए फ्रेड एक ही होल्डिंग मिडफील्डर रखा है हम लोग ने. Donny van de Beek is going to be the box-to-box midfielder in this, and Bruno is going to be the number 10. And front three is an interesting combination. ये 3 players अभी तक खेले नहीं है साथ में. अगर Martial is ruled out due to injury, again he is a doubt, तो Cavani नो ब्रेनर है कि कवानी स्टार्ट करेगा. Rashford is going to play on the left. Midweek, or rather international break में भी बीच में he was fit enough. He declared himself fit to rejoin the England squad, but in the end the England team decided not to bring him midway through. So we know that he is fit. Mason Greenwood, I actually think it was good for him that he did not travel with the England squad. वो definitely खेलेगा. And it will be very interesting to see Cavani start for us. I think this team is capable of scoring lots of goals, and I hope we go out and express ourselves.
So let's talk about the bench. Saurabh, thoughts about the bench?
So we have put Eric Bailly on the bench. हम लोग को पता नहीं है कि वो injured है, if he's coming back from injury, but अगर वो available है तो he is the only other potentially fit center back that we have. As I said, either Brandon Williams या Telles में से एक bench पे रहेगा और एक start करेगा. Pogba has played 2 full games for France. एक गेम में ठीक था, एक गेम में बहुत बुरा था. I think he still needs some more time before we get him in the first team. So he should make the bench, but I wouldn't be surprised अगर वो start भी करता है. And I think Mata should be on the bench. Mata and or James. But again, being Ollie, I wouldn't be surprised if either of them start over Mason Greenwood. I personally wouldn't start them. They would be on the bench to try and make an impact.
Yep. And I know star player choose karna hai, maybe it's a no-brainer, but Saurabh, who would be a star player?
Everything that goes through from our midfield through our attack goes through Bruno. So you will get sick and tired of Bruno being a star player almost on every game. But to be honest, that's where we are right now. So according to me, Bruno is going to be the star player tomorrow.
Cool. So let's dive into West Brom next. West Brom बहुत ही मतलब as you had seen league position 18th है. They play a 5-3-2 formation or a 3-5-2 if they are attacking, but बहुत ही flat रहते हो. They play with 5 defenders at the back. कोई नाम actually, to be honest, no disrespect, but मैंने सुने भी नहीं थे. Furlong, Ajay, Ivanovic, blast from the past, former Chelsea player, O'Shea and Townsend. ये part most likely start करेंगे. They play with a holding midfielder in the shape of Jack Livermore, Gallagher or Krovinovic, जो थोड़े Gallagher is more of a box-to-box midfielder. Krovinovic is a bit like attacking midfielder, I would say. Premier League में exactly कितना attack कर पाया है मुझे पता नहीं, given they are conceding goals like crazy. So yeah, midfield 3 is formed of these 3 players, and the front 2, Matheus Pereira, जिसको Sporting CP से खरीदा West Brom ने ये season में. I think he was on loan during in their last season in the championship. Carlin Grant जो recently 1 या 2 goal मारा है, I think is a tall center forward if I'm not wrong, and yeah, उसके physicality के बारे में थोड़ा aware रहना पड़ेगा हमें. इन जनरल उनका बेंच कुछ ऐसे दिखता है. बटन जो मेरे हमेशा एफपीएल टीम में रहता है क्योंकि वो 4.0 का प्राइस रहता है उसका. कैलम रॉबिन्सन जो शेफील्ड यूनाइटेड के लिए खेला था लास्ट सीजन. कियरन गिब्स, फॉर्मर आर्सेनल प्लेयर. काइल बार्टली, आई थिंक हैज बीन अ लॉन्ग टर्म वेस्ट ब्रॉम प्लेयर. रकीम हार्पर जो मैं फीफा में कभी कभी लेता था. और काइल एडवर्ड्स, अगेन अनदर फीफा पिक फॉर अ चीप स्क्वाड प्लेयर. तो या रकीम हार्पर और काइल एडवर्ड्स थोड़े अटैकिंग ऑप्शन है उनके बेंच पे से. एंड कैलम रॉबिन्सन ऑब्वियसली सेंटर फॉरवर्ड. कैलम रॉबिन्सन ने एक्चुअली 2 गोल्स स्कोर किए, बट फॉर सम रीजन ही हैजंट स्टार्टेड और लाइक played a whole lot of minutes in the past 2 or 3 games. So that's the bench, that's the starting 11. Now let's talk about how do they attack. मैंने जो ऑब्जर्व किया, obviously they sit pretty deep, तो हमें they play a whole lot on counter and they will use the wide channels जो यहाँ हम दिखा रहे. And obviously they play a lot of long balls or sometimes try to find through balls जो probably उनके पास उतनी quality नहीं है, but they still try. Long balls is an option that they try quite a lot. So I hope Tuanzebe or Maguire की partnership are able to judge these long balls properly and we kind of address these kind of attacks effectively. So yeah, I don't think there's a whole lot to worry, frankly speaking. ये West Brom के against हम खेलने वाले at Old Trafford, we should actually blow them away. But yeah, that's it for West Brom. What do you think, Saurabh? Match score predictions क्या रहेंगे?
Score prediction, I think we should score at least 3 to 4 goals. मुझे लग रहा है 3-0 is the most likely outcome. मुझे लगता है कि West Brom have not scored too many goals. They have conceded a lot of goals. The only thing that I would slightly worry about is set piece पे हम लोग we are still susceptible. Especially I see Ivanovic, who is a good header of the ball. Right. Grant is physical, Livermore is physical, so we might concede of set pieces. We need to watch out for Pereira. He's a tricky customer, but we should be keeping a clean sheet against this team, and we should be scoring a lot of goals. मतलब 3, 4, 5 goals score करने चाहिए अपने को. But the other thing is अभी तक हम लोग Old Trafford पे Premier League में जीते नहीं है. And this would be a game ripe for a big victory to set us sort of turn yet another corner. But ये कल का मैच मतलब ये वीकेंड का मैच इम्पोर्टेंट है एंड वी शुड गो फॉर अ कन्विंसिंग विन और अटैक करना चाहिए अपने को.
Right. And keeping the next few games in mind, agar if we can rake in the points, we can definitely improve our league position. We are currently 14th. So hopefully Saturday ko ek, as you said, easy victory that will give us some confidence.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's it from us, guys. I hope you like the content. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And